Thoroughbredford.com, where it's always easier to buy a car. Email us by following the links on the page or call us at 816-746-7567.
You will love this black '08 Chevrolet HHRLT Spec IAL Edition, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 19,217 miles. Enjoy an impressive 30 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like OnStar communication system, cruise control, airbag deactivation, air conditioning, tire pressure monitor, power steering, power brakes, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this '08 Chevrolet HHRLT Spec IAL Edition. See us at Thoroughbred Ford today.
Thanks again for visiting Thoroughbredford.com, home of smart cars, where it's always easier to buy a car. If there's anything that we can do for you while you're here, let us know. You can email us, follow the links on the page, or call us at 816-746-7567.